Once upon a time, is a lovely queen and a king. Her name and his name was Winda and Gray. So their daughter was Pinky and Oren. They're brothers and sisters. How about Black? Black is there too. So there's Veneria and there's Devin and there's Grassy. Daghan kayong Spunky today. Yeah, but someone died. Someone died in this game, which is Mr. Computer. So guys, you need to find the killer. Who's the killer? Not Black. Not Black. No. Si Kwan. What? Si Kwan. The killer was Simon. Dili mo nang Kwan. Wala may tubig si Simon. O naay tubig. Na si tubig. Water killed all of the Spunkies. No.
Philippine Bank of
No.
Bureau?
The flowers. Flower? Yes. Mustard flower? There's a mustard flower. There's Spunky na flower. No. What the heck? Bro. Whoa, what's that?
Ako na
What's that? What the heck? What is that?
Ilaga, nilatas kuryente. Karon mo kita ilaga nga nag-circus?
Nagkusog-kusog og dagan parang ay gani.
Sa dagan